we have some over-spackle here. So, the situation when you have this, you want to take a knife and you want to score this area so you don't start cracking the corner bead and everything else. So you just clean off the area. There you go, see? Wear shitty clothes. You want to wear clothes that basically you're going to be throwing out or use for another project, because you will get paint on them. So I have a little water here. I'm just going to pour in there a little bit. And I'm going to mix this up now, thin it out a little bit here. And when you do that, you're going to make sure you mix it very well, that you're getting the water into the paint, that you don't have some of it watery and the other portion of it. And if you let it drip like I just showed you, that you can see consistency instead of a globbing dropping. You can see a steady flow, which is a nice consistency when you're going to be rolling the paint. Always make sure you scrape the bottom of the paint can. There's a lot of pigments settled down there with paint, and this will clean it up. Keep the plastic bag that the roller comes with, because we're going to put the roller back in it when we're done. So don't try to rip it off. Open it up on the end like this here. Okay, just open up the end, slide it off. Keep the bag. So basically you're going to take your roller and you're going to slide the plastic bag over it. Yeah, it's a little messy, but no need to buy another roller. You use this roller tomorrow to continue rolling the other side. Now you will get some paint, and then just take it and wrap it around that so it's closed and it stays closed like that. And that's it. And you just leave it like that overnight. And open a can, instead of doing this, turn it. Turn the screwdriver as you go around. It's more effective. And now I'm just going to close this top, but before I do that, I'm going to take some paper towel or a rag. You're going to want to get a towel, put it over, so when you hit the top of the can, it doesn't splat all over the place. And that basically prevents it.